As soon as we seen the roof start ripping off over there, we ran to the bathroom, and we stayed in the shower. And then once the roof ripped off, it was pulling us out of there, and the wind was like pulling us out of that little room. I thought these walls would have went next, but they didn't, thank God.
What was it like?
Undescribable. Hell. You couldn't see. You look out the windows and you got pieces from people's houses flying by. You got trees flying by. And like I say, it was crazy.